Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add filter to a video in Canva. So filter in video is just the same as filters in photo. It is essentially used to make the color of the content look different. So it is useful to convey a different emotion or temperature on the scene. So I have this video that I got from the Canva library, and my goal here is I want to make the color of the flowers to be much more vibrant. So what I need to do is I can click on the video, go to edit, and you can navigate to filters. You'll see there are plenty of different options. There's also a preview, so you can just pick the one that you think is the best. And for example, since I want to make the color to be more vibrant, I can pick this solar option. So as you can see, the color, the red here, is a lot more prominent than before. And of course, I can also increase or reduce the intensity of this filter. So that is the filter method. But in case you want to have a finer control over the scene, I do recommend the adjust option. This is containing a lot of parameters, and personally, I'm not a master at this, but if I want to increase the vibrance of this video, I'm going to be playing around with shadow a bit. I'm going to make the dark area to be slightly brighter. I'm going to increase the vibrance to maybe close to 90. And after that, I'm going to increase the saturation a bit. So this will ensure that the color more pop out. And you can add some vignette if you want, but I think I don't need that. And the warmth is also very important. You want to make the video to be colder or warmer, it's up to you. I think I'm going to make it slightly warmer. And yeah, this is the setting that I think would be good enough for me. Of course, every video will be different. You cannot just follow my number here. You have to do it on your own. You have to play around with these sliders and see which one is the best for your scene. So that is exactly how you can add filter or to enhance the look of a video in Canva. I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.